check it out, check it out, check it out. What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel, and today, honey, I created this green glitter cut crease eye look. And if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, what is going on, my boo? Do not forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell button so you will not miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, honey, we're gonna jump right into this video. All right, so let's jump right into it. As you can see, I already got my eyebrows and my eye primer on for you guys, ready to start it off. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be starting off with this Nitro, and we're gonna be laying this Nitro into the crease. And this is the P. Louise Mama Mitchell. So now we're going to be jumping into this ColourPop palette, and it is called Just My Luck. And we're going to be jumping into Act Natural. And as you can see with that blue, it's giving a nice little blend, you know what I'm saying? And this dries down in 60 seconds, so I'm going to jump into Kiss My Hoss. I recreated this look, so that's why my brushes look dirty. So don't be talking no smack, boo. All right, now we're going to darken up this crease really quick, and we're going to jump into this Charm. All right, so now since we have that down, I had did my other eye off camera so we can speed this process up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go right back into this Acid Rain and take some petroleum jelly. It's like, no, I'm gonna take some Vaseline. Well, that's petroleum jelly, goddamn. All right. And I'm going to start off and cut this crease. Now we're going to jump into this Acid Rain and start cutting this crease. Now I'm just touching up these edges on both, giving it like a little ombre effect, you know. I'm going to be layering the top of this with a shimmer. So I'm going to jump into this Milkshake eyeshadow palette, but it's just a bunch of shimmers. I think it's so cute. It has like a mirror and everything in it. I'm gonna take this gold one right here. And I like this because it's very creamy, like, ooh, baby. Blend that right in. So now we're going to jump into glitter, my favorite part. So I'm going to do this one right here. This is from NYX. I'm going to start off using the glitter primer by NYX as well. So really quick, before I put my glitter on, I'm gonna just line my eye real quick. Please forgive me, y'all, for not really talking in this video like I usually do, being very like funny. I mean, when I'm doing stuff like this, I'm very concentrated. So I hope you guys really understand. I love y'all though, you know, cause my goofy ass will be talking, and the next thing you know, I've been a mess the hell up and be mad. And we ain't trying to do that, you know. So really quick, I'm going to take that Black Smoke Show by ColourPop. I'm gonna take the black in here, of course, and then I'm gonna just blend that in. And then just tap on that. Do, do, do. Baby, gon' get me on. You got to love the look at those eyes. Feeling good? Feeling great. Okay, so now we're going to jump right back into the glitter thing. We had to do that first. Stamp it right there. That's where I want it. How do you want? Ooh yeah. How do you feel? So this is like a subtle glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. It's not as thick as I thought it was gonna be. That looks really pretty. Babe, can you see that on camera?
Yes, you can.
Oh, wow. That is awesome. That is just, God darn it, you did it. You did it. It took you a long time. This is like my 5th time doing this eye, but I did it. All right, now we're going to jump into lashes. So let me prep these lashes. I'm going to be jumping into my eyelid mascara. All right, so we're going to go into the Balm lashes, and the lashes that we're going to use is called Kylie. Whoa, I didn't know these were so big, but we're going to be dramatic today. We're going to jump right into face. So first, guys, I'm going to just moisturize my face. All right, and we're going to get right into it. I'm using the Hello Hydration Face Cream Moisturizer by e.l.f. This is like my fave moisturizer. Still my fave. Will always be my fave. You understand what I'm saying? Now since I'm doing face, I can talk to y'all. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? How that baby, what's going on? This was like a serious eye, so I couldn't talk, I couldn't play. It was not a game. You know, shit was serious. You dig what I'm saying? Real quick, we're gonna be jumping into the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Okay, get you some of this, girl. Get you some. Okay. Yes, y'all, what's been going on? I haven't really been doing nothing. I'm still quarantining. I am not going outside. That is just something I'm not doing unless it's something that I really, really have to do. I want to vacay so bad, but I'm still nervous to vacay. Corona is still out there and jumping on people. And I don't need her jumping on me. I don't need Corona jumping on me. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I'm staying my black ass in the house, okay? So we're going to jump in the Nars foundation. Who seen Beyonce? I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. Wasn't it epic? Was it epic to y'all, or was it just me? It was epic to me. Like, I just can't understand, like why she do that to me. Like, she just really showed out. Didn't she? I mean, didn't she? I'm gonna take this Wonder Stick and I'm going to line that up around here. And then line around my nose. I am trying the Tailor-Made Jane way today, okay? I'm using the Deep Cinnamon e.l.f. Oh my God, she killed it, didn't she? Didn't she kill it? I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know whether to cry. I just didn't know, you know, like, she took it down to the ground, okay? I watched that, okay? Then, after I watched that, I watched P-Valley on Sunday. I know, y'all, I cannot believe that P-Valley be coming on Sunday. Y'all know that's the Lord's day. Why y'all ain't put that on Saturday? Why would y'all put that on Sunday? But I still be watching it, y'all. I'm sorry. I be still watching it, okay? And y'all, that joint is so good. So just to give y'all a little bit of what it's about, is this girl, she works at a strip club. She get like a lot of money or whatever. And her mom is like really crazy. She is like a church mom, but then she be being real shady. I can't tell you all the stuff, but she be being real shady. So make sure you look at it to see why she be being so shady. Man, like, it was so crazy. Like, I want to tell y'all like more, but I really want y'all to watch it because it's just about like go-go dancers just doing their thing, stripping, getting money, and a lot of them not seeing no way out. So it's like really, really crazy, but at the same time, it's like really, really, really good. Like really good, y'all. So make sure y'all check that out. So while I've been in quarantine, I've been watching that. Of course, I watch a bunch of kid videos. What else I've been doing? I think that's just basically it. Put in the comments what y'all watching. Give me some movies, cause I be watching like a bunch of stuff, but it just be like for my husband or whatever. So it don't be like nothing like too much. But yeah, y'all, Pussy Valley is where it's at, okay? This is actually the Morphe M173 brush, and I'm just basically I actually haven't used this brush in a while, but just fixing my nose. Yep. And then I always take my foundation brush and blend over there. And I just dab it right in instead of leaving it on there. Everybody has their own preference, but I like to just push it into the concealer. Also seen this from Taylor. I love her. My eyes, my face, the way I do my makeup, she has inspired me and pushed me this way. So shout out to you, Taylor. You know, you really got a girl doing her thing, you dig? I mean, there's other people that I look at, but this cut crease shit, ain't nobody fucking with her right now. That's all I'ma say. But there's some people that do real good. I'm not saying, but I'm just saying. I'm not saying, but I'm saying. She the shit, period. Ooh, I'm really feeling this look. All right, and I'm not even thinking about doing no blush. I think I'm gonna just jump in my Mocha Mommy and just bronze my face really, really good. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna jump into the Mocha Mommy by Fenty Beauty. If you don't know, now you know. And we just gonna bronze. Like, I'm going to use the Tiana Teller House of Petunia. I told y'all I love this, so y'all already know. This is gonna be my little thing for a while. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna jump into lip, and we're gonna be using the Night Mauve. And for lip, we're going to use a Rose in Harlem. Shout out to the people who knew that this was my favorite lip. My top two, Christine and Anissa. Congratulations on winning. I will be doing more giveaways, so make sure you guys stay tuned, okay? Don't need no best to you. Little African vibe. You know, I'm just, you know, feeling it. You know what I'm saying? So if you are feeling it, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button, because you do not want to miss my upcoming video I got coming this week. You dig? So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you boo in my next video. Mwah. Peace.